Hi all, welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. In today's episode, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and do the unboxing of a TWS headset, which is a Boult audio, and we'll be checking all the features and I'll be doing the review on that. I'm making this video in about two languages, that's Hindi and English, as one of my subscribers went ahead and asked for it. So let's start. So now we'll be going ahead and doing the unboxing of Boult Audio Airbass Truebuds, and this has extra bass in it. So first we'll just check the features, what all is available in it. You can see that there's a 24-hour playtime in it, there's a 3-day standby, and wake up and pair is nothing but you can just take it out of the box and it will be ready to play. And you have noise cancellation in this, and you have stereo call and mic, you have Bluetooth 5.0, and it's for you have all the buttons available in it for call and music. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is the seal over here. So there was an offer going on in Amazon for just $1,799, in which I got this in Amazon Prime. So as soon as you open the box, you can see Boult Audio. So you have the warranty card over here with the seal. And you also have the manual. That is how to use, how to pair manual. And if you see in this, there are some accessories in it. So let's go ahead and check what are the accessories available. So when you open this, there's a Type-C cable over here for charging it. So it's a sleek box, it's a hard-held box, and this is the TWS headset. This is the one with 24-hour standby, 24-hour call time and 3-day standby. And you can see over here the logo as Boult Audio, and if you see the quality of this, it's a good quality. You don't feel very plasticky, and if you open this, you'll be able to see the Boult Audio headsets. I got the red color one, so let's remove this. And you also have the earbud over here, the rubber thing for more safety, and these are the charging pins. This is for the left ear and this is for the right ear. Okay, so these headsets are paired with the mobile over here, and we'll just go ahead and play this track and see how it works. So let's go ahead and check that. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and put this in our ear. I've already connected it with Bluetooth, so with my mobile. So let's go ahead and fit this on. So this is the left one and this is the right one. And you do have the play and pause button in this. Okay, we are playing the music in this, and if you do want to hear the quality of the music, so the quality of the music can be heard by you, and the quality is very good. You can pause it by just pressing over here and the music is paused, or you can press over here. You have the pause and play buttons over here. So that's the easiest way you can go ahead and use this, and the quality of this is better than anything. If you do remember, I had made a previous video regarding TWS headset, that is a Truebuds video. I'll leave the link over here where you can go ahead and check it out. This one is better. And the one problem what I was having with Truebuds was that whenever I used to go ahead and attach it to my ear like this, it used to fall off. And this one doesn't have the falling problem. It's connected properly, if you can see that. So in case you also have ears like me, which is a normal adult ear, this would be the best design. If you're going on a jogging, running or anything, this headsets are the best for that, for which you can use. So after you go ahead and use this headsets, all you have to do is you have to place it over here for the charging, and it will go on charge, and close the box. And here is the Type-C cable where I can go ahead and recharge the box. And if you see the finishing on this also, it's kind of good. It doesn't look cheap, and it's already with a 50% battery on it when it came. So you do have a battery indicator also on this. And if you remember the Truebuds model which I had gone ahead and told you, the casing was good, but it was made up of cheap plastic and the fitting was not that great. But this one, Boult audio, the fitting is great. If you see the price on this box over here, it's given as $7,999, but actual price comes to only around 5,000 or 4,000 during the non-offer period, and I got it in offer period for just $1,799. So to be said, under 2,000 rupees, this is the best TWS you had. And you did hear the music. You have the best treble, best bass, and it fits properly. And if you use it in a heavy duty way also, you can use it for 24 hours continuously without charging it again. And you have a 3-day standby time also. So at the moment, if you're going for a proper Bluetooth headset, you can always go for this TWS of Boult audio, which is kind of good compared to others which go about 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and if you go for Sony, it even goes for 17,000. So, but if you just want a normal usage headset, this would be the best headset which you can go for. Hope this video helped you in making your decision on buying the TWS headset, and hope all the features were explained to you and even the review was given properly. And if you did like the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe for the channel to watch future notifications, and please do leave your comments on the headset if you did like that. And until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.